this example, we're going over the advanced settings and the process personalization. And in order to access this section, you head over to Tools and to Advanced Settings. And over here are the pre-order parameters, which has you enter a number, and over here you can make some modifications by entering a number, and you can change the status, enter amount, yes or no for multiple numbers, and then you click send for this example.
We will head down here to where we can manage the habilitations, where the various login info is provided, including this over here, contact, and over here we have the command max level and the name. And if you want to make the proper edit, you can head over here to where you can change the command max level, and you can change the name. And as you can see up here, it's the name for this demo. After that, if you want to add more contact info, you click on this link over here to where you're taken to an Excel template, and you enter the names you'd like. After you do that, you save the file, and then you click import, you choose the file, and you should receive something very similar to this.
After being done with this section over here, you can head up here to my account and users, and you can see entities users with the last name, first name, entity login, and everything should be up to date. Then we'll head back to advanced settings, where if you'd like, you can make the proper changes. Can 1600 num, and then voila. We'll head over to account parameters, to where you can make the proper modifications if your event is not directly in the database or something else. If you're having some sort of issue, you can head over here and you can change it, and you can activate it, the online payment, and then you send.
Head down here towards the furnisher personalization, to where you can furnisher the parameters by clicking this over here to make the proper edit. And over here we have the preferred supplier management, the manage group validation, the blacklist management, to where you can change it to say yes, no, no, and it is all right here, and you click send. After that, more can be shown on how to modify establishments by heading to find a place. And over here at the general information, you can filter out the blacklisted establishments, which appear right here. And then over here, there is more filtered establishments. And over here, you have the favorites. And if you want to blacklist an establishment, you click over here, and then you can see it show up, and then you click over here in order to remove it from the blacklist. We'll head back up to advanced settings, and we will go down toward the configuration methods, and over here you can change the type that you'd like. So like for example, you can choose any one of them, like green globe, and you can choose the payment method. And for that, we would choose Amex because why not? And for the configuration of services, we can just change it to catering, and you would press send, and that would conclude the advanced settings process personalization example.